Aloha, my name is Lāhela Johnson, and I'd like to share with you a unique process I call personal Ho'oponopono and how you can benefit. First of all, Ho'oponopono is the Hawaiian healing process of forgiveness. We all carry with us, to some degree, negative self-talk, poor self-image, blame, shame, and guilt over things that have occurred in this lifetime and every lifetime we have ever lived. Without realizing it, we even carry with us inherited blame, shame, and guilt that goes back approximately 200 generations. In this one-on-one session, this process of self-forgiveness, we will look into the various aspects of your life and identify disempowering beliefs and emotions that keep you from achieving what your heart truly desires. Through this unique process, we will work with Divine Spirit to release, cleanse, and remove whatever is blocking you and your ability to access your unlimited potential. We will examine the areas of health, wealth, self-image, relationships, and any situations or challenges you may be experiencing and would like to change, improve, or heal. We will look at where you are and where you want to be. By the end of our session, you will take with you your very own personal Ho'oponopono invocation that when practiced on a daily basis, you will experience what I like to describe as a spiritual cleansing, a sense of self-renewal, and harmony and balance in your life. You will gain self-trust, begin to see yourself differently, strengthen your personal power, learn when and how to use your voice effectively, and be the example others wish to follow. I am looking forward to meeting you and having quality time to reveal the presence of grace in your life. Contact me at theponopractitioner.com to schedule your personal Ho'oponopono session with me in person or through video conferencing. Until then, aloha.